Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to edit a listing on eBay from your phone. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and revise a listing on eBay from your phone. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So what we're first going to do is that we're going to hop onto our eBay app, and then once you're on your eBay app, you want to click on your selling icon on the bottom right hand corner. Next, from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on active on the upper left hand corner, and then from here you're going to find the item which you want to go ahead and revise. So let's say, for example, that we want to go ahead and revise this listing here. We're just going to click on the three dots on the right hand side and then click on revise. So by revising a listing, you could basically edit the title, you can edit the name, category, condition, item specifics, description, pricing, etc. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and revise a listing on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.